we go to Bulacan to witness gender reveal of my Ninong Hanjin and Ninang Alaysa. Hi guys, it's me, a 5 years old Prinsya ng Baby Cute. Wednesday nga guys, we go to Bulacan. But before that guys, I want to flex my OOTD because this is gender reveal. We need to wear color blue for team boy and pink for team girl. Obvious naman guys kung anong team ako. I'm si my sister na palagay. This is Tita Nicole. She is so pretty, diba guys? Tita Nicole is the sister of Ninang Alaysa. And now guys, the program is start na. Before they reveal the gender guys, they have pa-games pa guys. Kuya Blake join the first game guys. They need to wear the diaper guys and drink the milk on the baby bottle. But he lost guys. And the second game guys, you need to put the balloon on your clothes like a pregnant. And you need to jump to remove the balloon on your clothes guys. And Kuya Sanders, the winner guys. Grabe the prize guys. It's a color yellow bills guys. And now naman guys, it's a third game na. Look at the third game guys. So you need to eat the peanut butter guys on the diaper guys. Ate Bella lost din guys. And this is it. Pancit guys. They will reveal na guys. In 3, 2, 1. It's a boy guys. I'm the winner guys because I'm the team boy. Ninang Kimberly, Ate Pia guys, and Mama Manny witness din guys. We all happy guys. Like yung mga tinger guys, they so happy then. Look at guys, they have gift sa amin. We have labubu guys. I'm so excited nga guys. So I open my labubu guys. I'm so loved my labubu guys. Thank you to my sisters for this. Now naman guys, we need to take a picture na before we going to eat. Look at Ading Lucas guys. He is so sad guys. But that is okay Ading Lucas. Let's eat na lang. Food is delicious guys. Lalo na the pancit. May lechon pala dito guys. That is the QR native lechon guys. Lechon guys from Tarlac to Bulacan. Oh, diba guys, bumili sila? Iso malayo. The biyahe of our lechon. They have playground pala here guys. I'm enjoying the slide in swing guys. After that guys, we go inside na. Cause guys, they have a photo booth here. So we try the photo booth guys. But before that guys, pag nakapila kami, we take the picture on the mirror guys. They have din pala guys ang perfume booth. On my birthday guys, I want this one din. The perfume booth and the photo booth din guys. Sabi talaga guys. We all enjoy the gender reveal. The biyahe is sulit guys. And sulit na nga guys. And we need to go home na. The biyahe is so malayo pa naman guys. So goodbye na to everyone, especially to my sister. I hug them all. Siya guys, hanggang here na lang. Thank you for watching. I'll pass and bye!